The Climatic Revelator machine measures and records barometric pressure throughout the day and night. The last 24 hours of readings can be displayed on the pressure gauge. The readings are also used to calculate a weather forecast, communicated through the employment of one of 5 Victorian weather scenes stored within the rotating carousel. When requested to, or when a sudden change in pressure is recorded, the carousel rotates to display the appropriate scene. Each weather scene is comprised from several individual layers which provide depth and move in an interesting way as the scene is viewed through the lens assembly. Whilst rotating, the tune is played on the 5 chimes, with the pitch rising or falling to indicate the recent pressure change. If no movement is present for an hour, the Climatic Revelator goes to sleep. Upon awakening, the illumination gently fades up and you are greeted with a tune and the latest weather forecast.